I'm going to fall down this hill. I am going to fall down. Take a step back. I'm drinking water and I've lost my water. So
At least you're drinking water. That's pretty good.
yeah, I know, but I lost it. That don't count.
Now you got to deal with gravity.
I know, right? No. Get your kicks in. Yep.
Do you have an extra cigarette by any chance? Or no? I have like rollies, but...
Yeah, I can give you one. I can't support you on that.
No, I have a rolling machine too, like there, but I just don't think I can.
Okay.
It's probably not a...
It's cool.
I just don't feel like rolling a cigarette
Do you
right
need a
now.
lighter too?
No, I got one of those.
Oh, okay. I know you do.
That's good.
Huh? Yeah. Apparently.
Yeah.
You tape the whole thing?
Through all this thing, tapes it and records a 3D, so I'm doing a 3D recording of it. So yeah, I don't know. I think the Grand Finale is probably coming up right about now, right?
I love those.
I like those too. Those are nice. Thank you for the cigarette.
No problem. They're menthol.
It's fine. Since I like stopped smoking and started again, I never smoked menthols. I kind of like them. My buddy was fucking the crushes for a long time.
I'll get them. I have a few.
I didn't think I'd like them. I accidentally do.
These are menthol lights. Hardly count. Yeah. A good little John voice. This is not the finale. It can't be.
Well, you see, I must freak out every year. Whenever we
She
take
usually
her,
does.
Yeah.
You know what the bathroom is? Is it upstairs?
Yeah.
All the way up top?
Yeah.